Today, I'll make Yaprach, which are Kurdish stuffed vegetables such as beetroot, butternut, squash, onion, cabbage, and others. Those vegetables are stuffed with rice, fried onions, squash, tomatoes, and a little bit of spices. The Yaprach are different from other stuffed vegetables. They have a unique sweet and sour flavor. Kurdish food is not cooked with many spices. We use ingredients like fried onions, smashed tomatoes, sugar, and lemon to spice our dishes. Many of the dishes are cooked for long hours. In the past, it used to be over a kerosene burner. And these days, it's usually done over regular gas with a low heat. We're in Srigim Leon, a village located in the Judean foothills. I've been living here since I was a child, and for the past few years, I cook and host in my house. Apart from serving authentic food, I tell my guests all about the Kurdish ethnic group and present them with the traditional clothes and music. My parents immigrated from Kurdistan to Israel in 1951, and I was born here. I think it was only after giving birth to my daughter that I experienced a real attachment to my Kurdish background. When I cook, I use the same recipes my grandparents used in the past. I don't want to change them. I'm proud of my ethnicity, and I find it important to let other people know that the Kurdish culture and food are terrific. I'm trying to do what I can to keep the tradition going. I think that if you're not connected to your roots and past, you don't really have a future.